Good afternoon, guys. My this video is reflect to uh, Arsenal versus Aston Villa. So, unlike my previous prediction, which about Arsenal went on 100% as I expect. Now I'm going to talk about this match which, between Arsenal and Aston Villa. As we all know, Arsenal has a flying start, a dream start, a perfect start for this season, and now we have a midday fixture which will be happening now. Midweek uh, fixture which will be happen now. So Arsenal is clear favorite in this match. As we all know, Arsenal has a dream start and are they have played four games and all of them they have won. And their record is good. And now and also other positive thing which can take is there is no injury concern and so far with Arsenal. So that means the team is fit, team is balanced, team is uh, very well maintained. So what we have uh, in the middle is how we end the match, and Arsenal is doing right. They beat Crystal Palace, Leicester City, Bournemouth, and Fulham. So that that is impressive start for them. As far we are concerned, Arsenal is doing pretty much good. So then we will see who will play in the starting 11 for Arsenal. Uh, that is either we have a same team who started against Fulham, and we have the winning formula retained, or will be any change. Or it is less likely that there will be any change. So I will think that it will be the same as it was before. Muhammad Elneny, Martin Odegaard, and Grant Zaka will be in the midfielder, and Saka and Jesus and Gabriel will be the forward. So it will be almost expected the same team. And on the other hand, I can see Aston Villa not very impressive start. They although they manage to beat manage to register a win, but that is Carabao Club is not Premier League victory. In the last match, they went down from with West Ham United. They lost against West Ham United, and before that they lost against Crystal Palace as well. Although they have won uh, the match previous as well. So we again Aston Villa, but at the moment, again, sorry, against Everton, but still we can see that Aston Villa is not in a way that it should be. So keeping things in mind, I can predict that the team at the top of the Premier League, Arsenal, will take against Aston Villa, which is currently at the 15th, and that will be 2-0 or 3-1. That I can think about right now. I can think which is based on my calculation and information available to me. It could be 2-0 in favor of Arsenal, or it could be 3-1 in favor of Arsenal again. Uh, but again, I could say that this is just a prediction. Please keep in mind, I do not take any responsibility of any betting based on my prediction. Uh, if if you want to bet, please bet sensibly. I uh, urge about that. And but I made my prediction is Arsenal 2-0 or Arsenal 3-1. So until the next video, take care of yourself and bye bye.